Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming where your contacts are stored and why resetting matters: iCloud, Google, local PC, or carrier. Once done, perform a manual sync to capture recent edits, because a reset may remove unsynced changes. Make sure the device has at least 50% battery or is plugged in, and use stable Wi-Fi or a USB cable for reliability. Now sign into the account you'll use for the restored backup. This prevents account confusion during the reset process. Start by exporting a backup file, VCF or CSV, to local storage or a PC. This is your safety copy, so don't skip it. Then go to Account Settings and temporarily disable Contact Sync. Next, clear the local contacts' cache or app data to force a clean state. After that, re-enable sync and either import your saved VCF/CSV or let the cloud account re-push contacts. This sequence ensures you remove corrupted local copies while preserving a reliable source to restore from. Once the sync completes, verify the result. Check the total contact count and open a handful of records to confirm names, numbers, and labels restored correctly. If duplicates appear, use the built-in merge feature or a trusted dedupe tool. Always test dedupe on a copy first. If the restore fails, retry importing the exported VCF file, confirm you're signed into the correct account, and switch to a different network or USB connection. These steps finish the reset and resolve the most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.